Ni hao, hi everyone, welcome back to Teacher World. Today I have a random one for you because we are going to talk about the random things I purchased when I lived in China. Living in China gave me the opportunity to purchase many different things that I thought were cute, I thought were useful, I thought were beneficial, and it was cheap to pay for these items. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I want to start with is by showing you the money. Because I had this money, Chinese renminbi, I was able to purchase many of the items that you see here on this table. Okay, so I think the money, Chinese money, is very pretty. And this is 100 yuan, which is equivalent to about 16 US dollars. So, first things first, let me show you here on this table. These were some shoes that I purchased in China. I have quite a few different shoes. This is I think 4 inches. I don't wear these often because I'm not a person who likes to walk in high heels. I like flats, but I did purchase these cute shoes. Okay, another pair of shoes that I would like to show you would be these shoes here. Now, these are more of my style. They're more of my style because of the chunky heel. I love chunky heel shoes, and it's maybe 2 inches, 1.5, maybe 2 inches, and patent leather. And I thought that these are very, very cute. I wore these shoes when I was wearing my Chinese dress. So it's very comfortable. Another pair of shoes I bought would be these red sneakers. I purchased these in many different colors. As soon as you order it, you'll get it within a few days later. But this is a pair of shoes that I purchased there. And here is a rain boot. I thought that these were pretty snazzy, pretty cute. I only wore this a few times being back home in New York. So, something I wanted to just show to you. Okay, so here are some boots that I bought. It's very comfortable inside. You have like this nice fluffy fur inside, almost like Uggs. But I like that these come in different colors. Like you have like this nice royal blue. I have a pair of navy blue ones, okay? Is a size 39. So their metric system is a little bit different from ours. And a 39 would be like a size 8, I believe. So these are those pretty color boots. But I also have some back here. I'll just show one. Just leaning over. Okay, here's another pair of boots that I have. I barely wore these. I barely wore them. But once again, inside it's very furry. It's very comfortable. And I think that these are really, really cute. Let's look at the next item. You know how I feel about my bow ties. Aww. You see my bow ties. Okay, I love the bow ties. I actually found a few more in another box. I think this blue one you guys have seen before. This pink one I have, and this bright orange one. I don't know. Which one should I wear? Should I wear the orange one or should I wear the pink one? Let's see. Which color should I wear? This hot pink one. Okay, there we go. All right, so moving on to next items. Okay, so now we got some pink stuff going on. Now, here is an umbrella. It comes in this cute little bag to keep everything all neat. If your umbrella is soaking wet, it keeps everything in one place and you're not like dripping all over the place. But I think that this is such a cute umbrella. And I have this white one. So cute. The price of the umbrellas range from $9 to 12 US dollars.
And this is a clip of Taobao.
As you can see here, Miniso. And this is a store that pretty much all the Chinese locals, like the females, would go to and buy whatever they could buy, because Miniso has so many cute things that you could think of. Okay, I was able to purchase these these ring stands for your cell phone, so that, you know, if you want to watch a movie, you're on an airplane, it's very useful. It's compact, it's cute, it's small. The price of this, actually I don't even see the price. This was, I probably paid, I don't know. I can't even make up the price. I don't know. But shopping in China, everything is inexpensive. It's not like the prices that we pay here in the United States. So, Miniso. I got this from Miniso. Then I also got this hand sanitizer. This hand sanitizer smells so good. This is lavender. And 10 RMB for two. So 10 RMB for two was like what, $1.60. Yeah, $1.60 US dollars, but I was able to get two of these for $1.60. That's how cheap Miniso is. I have to go back to China because I have to go to the store Miniso and get more items. Along with the things I got at Miniso, I also got this battery pack. This battery pack is so useful. Sometimes, like when your cell phone dies, you don't have any way to charge it, especially if you're out and about. So I would go on vacation. I will carry this travel pack with me. You have two charging ports right here for USB cables. I would charge my cell phone. I could charge anything else that requires USB, but this is very, very useful. I bought this from Miniso. I bought like 3 of these. It is halfway full because those 2 bars right there indicates halfway full, but the charger, it comes with the charger as well, and you're good to go. Moving on to more items that I purchased in Miniso. I like this. This is like, it's a wireless portable speaker, right? As you can see, it was purchased from Miniso. And the volume gets pretty loud on this thing. The volume gets pretty loud. You charge it. When you charge it, it lights up blue to let you know that it's charging. It's almost like your own Alexa. I do have an Alexa. Hi, Alexa. How's she not going to talk back to me? Alexa.
The Bad World Tour destination point is Los Angeles.
She's not even talking to me. Alexa, do you hear me talking to you?
I'm here. I listen once I hear the wake word.
How many times have I been saying Alexa? She don't listen. But this reminds me of Alexa because you get to play your music. Any type of music that you have, it will play your music loud. So there are a few more things. No, not a few more things. There's another thing I purchased from Miniso. So this came in like a kit of 3 pouches. This was like the smallest pouch, and then there were 2 more pouches, just a little bit bigger than this. But when I would travel to different countries, I would keep the SIM cards from those different countries in this little zip bag. And having, oh, here we go. And having those SIM cards was very useful because you don't want to use up your minutes, right? When you're in these different countries, you don't want to pay roaming charges. So when you're in these different countries, get the SIM card. So I have SIM cards from so many different countries. They're so little. But I kept them here in this little zip part of my bag. Now, in here, what do I have? Oh, this was the Metro card that I used when I was in Hong Kong. Wow. Oh, I remember these times traveling. I mean, I was always traveling by myself, but I feel that if you wait around for people to travel with you, you'll never make it to the places you want to make it to. So I remember traveling in Hong Kong with this card. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, I have 2 of them. Look at me. I had 2 of these cards. Besides that, what is this stuff? I don't even know. What is this? I haven't seen this stuff since I've been in China. Oh, I remember when I purchased my laptop out there, I have a Samsung laptop, and this was just, I purchased that in Hong Kong. This was just my warranty card that I needed to hold on to. Let's see, what is this? Interesting stuff in here. What is this? This is probably for my laptop. Yeah. Yes, this was the receipt for the laptop I purchased in Hong Kong. So it was a Samsung, and that's another thing. If you want to purchase a laptop, do not get it from mainland China. The only reason why I say that is because a lot of the functions and settings will be in Chinese Mandarin, but maybe you could switch that. But I think that getting it from Hong Kong, being more Western, more westernized, I think you'll do a lot better purchasing laptops or any type of device from Hong Kong, because a lot of their appliances, a lot of their devices will be in English, because in Hong Kong they speak English and Cantonese. So for the laptop that I purchased in Hong Kong was $5,798. Let me show you that laptop. So this is the laptop I purchased in Hong Kong. This was 5,798 Hong Kong dollars. And of course it's pink, but pink's not my favorite color. But this was very useful. I mean, it's dead now. I don't have the laptop charger. It's somewhere around here, but I don't use this laptop anymore when I'm doing my work and when I'm creating YouTube videos. I use a different laptop. But yeah, I purchased this in Hong Kong. It was in English. The settings were in English. Very easy to navigate and use. And the laptop, I mean, I can't complain. The only reason why I got another laptop was because I had so much stuff saved onto the desktop. I used up a lot of storage space, and I needed a different laptop and one with faster speed. That's the only reason why I got a new one. But I still keep this because I have a lot of files on here, and it's something that I could hold on to. It's not garbage. Okay, so now there are some clothes that I want to show you. I purchased this. It's a cute little skirt that I purchased from Taobao. And it's like spandex, so it stretches. I've only wore this a few times, so I have this in multiple colors. I have this in pink, white, but I'll just show you the colors that I have here. Here is my royal blue, and just looking at these two colors, like New York Knicks, baby. New York Knicks. I'm a Knicks fan, even though they haven't been doing all that well, but I think they're doing well now. But yeah, I have this in royal blue, and then I have it in white and light pink, but I don't have those colors to show you now. Then I also purchased this skirt. It still has the tag on it. It is a size large, but it does not have the price that I paid for this, so I couldn't tell you that. I never wore this skirt. I purchased this from China back in like 2000, maybe 2016, 2017, and I never wore it, but I keep it. Another thing that I purchased is this pink jacket. I purchased this pink jacket. It still has the tag on it. The material would be, well, let me just look at the tag. It's an extra large. I think this material is like fox leather, but you're not paying a lot of money, so I don't care if it's fox or what. I'm still gonna buy it because I got this from China. So this is the jacket. And I think that it is super cute. All right, so that was my video about the random things that I purchased in China. I will leave a description of this camera that I used to film this video. Once again, it is the ZV E-10. I'm loving this camera, and I will leave everything in the description box below. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I have plenty more to show you. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.